Hi, I'm Dave from Verona, Pennsylvania, and this is my project using the SNAPP screen system. We had a covered deck here that was open on all sides, and we decided that we needed to screen it in to keep the bugs out. We get a lot of bad bugs in the summertime, and I also had to redo the railings because the old railings were not up to code, and we have a 1-year-old daughter who's growing and toddling around, and we wanted her to be able to play on the deck. So I heard from a friend about SNAPP and bought their products, and this is the finished product. So let me take you inside and show you what it looks like. So I was able to frame in an extra wall here for the screened in area, and I built a door, and I was able to use the SNAPP rail, the extrusions all around each of the openings. And once I got the right blade and the right tools, it was really easy to use, and it's a really quality product once it's installed, and the screen fits in there really tight and allows the cats to be outside on the porch and the kids, and there's no bugs. So let me take you inside. So this is it on the inside of our porch. We added some new paint, a new ceiling fan, some carpet, and now it's really a great 3-season space. We've already started using it a lot, and we put up curtains so we can shade it when the sun's out, or if we want some privacy. So this has added a whole new living space to our house. We really love it, and definitely recommend the SNAPP screen system. It's a great product, and I'm really happy with it. Thanks.